Okay, what I'm kind of seeing looks pretty good. So we see that, and I'll do it in color. We see that we're going to have maybe something like this. And a lot of people are putting dots down on the page. So you got a dot here and a dot here, and then you're saying the dots kind of form a curve here, don't they? Okay, so I didn't draw that real well, but I see a lot of people starting out with something like this, right? Okay? And I even see some people having sketched a dotted line here to kind of follow that. That's a good thing to do, right? Okay? So that's pretty good. Pretty good idea. So, you know, you're going to start there and you're going to start here. Okay? And at some point these things are going to meet. Right? Mm-hmm. So we'll have a meeting point. But these things kind of approach this meeting point as a limit, and these things kind of approach the meeting point as a limit. Right? Okay, two questions now. Can we get an equation for the curve? Okay. Well, we're going to do that. That's actually fairly easy. Once I write it down, I think you'll understand it, whether you understand it in the context of conic sections, or whether it even is a conic section. We'll see. But you don't have to know that. That's something that, actually, that's been removed from our pre-calculus and moved into our calculus course. Okay? And that's really that and matrices. Makes me want to beat my head against the wall, but I know a lot of the people who made that decision. Okay? And they're good mathematicians, good teachers. They have some knowledge. So I'll respect the decision while I don't like it. Okay? I think we're trying to teach pre-calculus to a lot of people who just really can't learn it, and requiring that in their curriculum. Okay? But there's still profit to pre-calculus. I'm working on that because I've kind of gotten into the assessment of pre-calculus and I'm teaching the section. Okay. So it's an interesting question. I don't know the answer to. But I will, and then I'll tell everybody and they'll agree. Okay. Anyhow, you got the equation of this curve, right? So maybe we have an equation here. Maybe it's a conic section. That's like an ellipse or a circle or a parabola or a hyperbola. Okay? We can pretty well prove it's not a straight line. Okay? Because this one isn't that much shorter than this one, right? So it's going to kind of start off almost vertical. But this one isn't almost that much shorter than this one. It starts out almost horizontal, right? So it can't start off this way and start off this way and be a straight line from here to here. Okay? So that's one aspect that's kind of interesting. It comes out of the pictures that I see a lot of you drawing. Okay? And I think most of the pictures I see, or all of them, are completely consistent with this idea, whether you actually drew the curve or not, right? So that's very good.